Secaucus, where the right lane is closed for about another week and a half or so around the clock. Now this MedExpress is open 8 to 8 every day with multiple convenient New Jersey locations. Their considerate full medical team is ready to treat fevers, coughs, and viruses. With most major insurance plans accepted, you just walk in and get the care you need. MedExpress, because life is urgent. I'm Pete Torriello on 1010 Wins.
News time 9:13. The 1010 Wins AccuWeather 4-day forecast with live update meteorologist Dean DeVore.
Well, the National Weather Service now has dropped the winter storm warnings from the area around the city and into those immediate suburbs to the west. They've downgraded it to a winter weather advisory. Still, the blizzard warning goes from Suffolk County northward into eastern Connecticut until about 6 p.m. this evening. Other parts of Connecticut, like Fairfield County, are in a winter storm warning until 6 p.m. Folks, yes, we missed the blizzard part in the city, but we still got snow to clean up, 6 to 12 inches in and around the city, and it's going to be cold to do that. Real feels in the single digits, so make sure you're bundled up on the way out. And real feels will drop below zero tonight. Anything slushy, you're going to freeze solid as temperatures drop down to teens tonight. And then tomorrow, cold despite some sunshine, back up to 29, low 30s with increasing clouds Thursday. A little clipper snow with a light accumulation of snow likely on Friday. Right now in Midtown, we're looking at a temperature starting out at 23 degrees. We're heading up to 25. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Dean DeVore on yours weather station 1010 Wins.
Wins news time 9:14.
I'm Murphy, Sun Service Tech at a Quick Lane Tire and Auto Center. I need help. They always do. I'm overdue for an oil change. No problem. Tire rotation? Got it. Yep. Check the battery and filters? Roger. Sprocket locking? No such thing. Seeing if you're listening. I haven't stopped out. Today's Saturday, and I don't have an appointment. Now you do. Cool. Very cool.
No appointment necessary. Weekend hours and train techs ready to give your car the works. Quick Lane is ready to serve. Visit quicklane.com.
If you have Medicare Part D, Walgreens can put you at the corner of switching your prescriptions and saving some money. That's because Walgreens makes it easy to switch and save with co-pays as low as $0 on select Medicare Part D plans. Just bring us your prescriptions and we'll do the rest. Switch to save even more today. Walgreens, at the corner of happy and healthy.
Applies to Tier 1 generic for select plans.
With news time 9:15. Now 1010 Wins Sports, sponsored by American Sniper from Warner Brothers Pictures. Now playing. Here's Mark Renee.
They'll lead a Patriots touchdown Monday for Super Bowl week in Arizona. One of their locker room attendants emerging as an apparent suspect in Deflategate. Owner Robert Kraft getting a little snipey. Said he believes unconditionally his team did nothing wrong. He expects the NFL will apologize if the league finds nothing untoward took place. Meantime, the Pats and the Seahawks will enjoy the annual Media Day madness of Super Bowl. That's coming up early this afternoon. Knicks and Nets had their games postponed last night. Rangers and Islanders, for now at least, set to face off this evening at the Coliseum as they return from the All-Star break. The Isles without Kyle Oposo, 16 weeks because of an upper body injury. Australian Open this morning, Andy Murray beat Nick Kyrgios, reaching the semifinals against Tomas Berdych, who upset Rafael Nadal. Into the women's semis, Maria Sharapova and Ekaterina Makarova. Sports at 15 and 45 around the clock. Mark Renee, 1010 Wins Sports.
The Navy has credited you with over 160 kills.
Yes, sir. The Producers Guild of America has called American Sniper one of the year's best films.
I don't tell you enough. I'm so proud of you for being such a great father.
And the Directors Guild of America has nominated Clint Eastwood for Best Director.
Do you ever think that I might have done some things over there that you wish you hadn't?
Oh, that's not me. Sometimes as Hollywood describes, it's brilliant, powerful, gripping, and unforgettable.
The thing that haunts me are all the guys I couldn't say. Got a man down.
Oh my God!
Rolling Stone says this film takes the bees out of you.
Come back, hey, you alright?
I need you. I need you here.
Vanity Fair says Bradley Cooper delivers a performance for the ages.
I'm willing to meet my creator and ask for every shot that I took.
And now it's been nominated for 6 Academy Awards, including Best Actor and Best Picture of the Year.
I'm ready. I'm ready to come home.
American Sniper, rated R, under 17, animated without parents, and playing in theaters everywhere.
23 degrees, cloudy skies, and actually a little light snow out there as well. We're going up to 25. The AccuWeather real feel right now, 7.
Paragon Sports is your winter wonderland. Shop for the warmest weatherproof outdoor clothing and boots you can buy. Brands such as Canada Goose, Marmot Mountaineering, Arc'teryx, Spider, Burton, Jute, Patagonia, and the North Face. For just walking the dog to skiing, mountaineering, or anything else, Paragon has the most unique selection in New York to choose from. Paragon Sports. They know winter. Paragon Sports, 18th Street and Broadway in Manhattan.
You don't find too comfortable of a place when you don't have insurance. We went 2 to 3 years without health insurance.